Yes, yes, yes. Harvesting time, guys. And we are here in Hinigakit, Philippines. And this is the unit used by the owner of this paddy rice field. This is Kubota Combine Harvester DC70 Pro Philippines. High performance. Ito yung tatapat sa Yanmar Combine Harvester, guys. Look at that. At this moment, you can now witness the high performance and very productive combine harvester. Good morning, guys, to all farmers and to all the viewers and followers, subscribers. Thank you for watching this kind of video, and this is the video that we can offer you, guys. Look at this. Good, good, good. Very nice, guys. And we are here in the center of the rice field. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Keep on watching to this kind of video. I hope you enjoy. The farmers supports us, guys, for the economy of our country. Support for food. And this is the source of our food and daily needs, guys. So, be respect to the operators, the farmers, and all in belong to the agricultural sector. Shout out to all farmers, guys, in the Philippines and in the whole world. You are a hero for us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys. Gabayan kayo palagi ng Diyos kahit saan kayo magpunta. Sa mga farmers, mahal namin po kayo. Mahal na mahal namin kayo dahil sa inyong pagsisikap at kayo ang mga bayani sa amin. Sa walang sawang pagserbisyo sa amin dito sa ekonomiya natin at sa pagbibigay ng pagkain. Ang galing ng operator, guys. Nice. Good. Sa mga Bisaya diha na mga ka-farmers, shout out sa inyong tanan. Diha sa Mindanao, Visayas at sa Luzon. Shout out po sa inyo sa lahat ng mga farmers dyan. Just keep on watching this kind of content, guys. And this is the channel that we serve you. This is Track Roller. This is the season to harvest, guys. The first cropping in this year. We have 3 croppings this year, but it is the first. And this month is March in Caraga, Philippines, the harvesting time. Once again, this is Track Roller channel at your service.